Okay, well, I'm going to have to speak up more here now because I had to change cameras. Yeah, my phone ran out of memory, so I got to download some videos out of there and open up that memory on there. Wish I'd have known that, but that's all right. Got this new camera. We're going to try it. It has an external mic and all, so we'll see how it works out. And we'll get back to where we left off. Let's see here. More stuff. Okay. Trying to get axle clips out on these governor locks. Well, yeah, being very careful, because this could turn into a disaster real quick. There we go. Just have to be very careful with governor locks. You don't want them to get away from you. Always put the cross shaft pin back in, and put it in the right direction too. Yeah, don't mess around with governor locks trying to put them back together again if they get away from you. You don't want to have to mess with them later, because they're a big pain. And, a governor lock back, and, GM governor locks, they work good, street, light use, but off-road, stuff like that, pounding on them, no. I'm not very good for that. And this one here's got the 456 gears in it. What did I say? Yeah, 456s. It's probably seen a lot of road use. I don't see any scratches on the differentials like from bushes or things of that sort. So that's not bad at all. axles look like they're in good shape. This axle's in good shape. And this seal kind of was sweating, but technically not leaking. You know, and yeah, I would like to have known how much oil was in this thing. Let's see here. The caps for the carrier have already been marked by me from a while back. Haven't been swapped. They're still in the same spots they should be. No bearings spinning or nothing. The caps are in good shape. Oh, well, the preload on the carrier bearing is definitely loosened up some. And really, pinion looks good. There's no trash, you know, like metal that gets in these little spots where the tubes come into the center section of the diff. Not too bad at all. Yeah, pinion bearings are noisy. Oh, and the pinion shaft has been leaking a lot. Put this back over the bucket a little bit. Can't really see the pinion nut full of crap. It's been leaking down the splines through the yoke. Don't you dare fall over. Yeah, that'd have been a mess, huh? Put my floor mats back down. I can't remember what size the pinion nut was. So, 1 3/16. Nope. I don't know. Let's see if the 3/8 can knock that off. I gotta find my adapter. What do you think? Think it's gonna be strong enough to take that pinion nut off? Wow. It really wasn't loose, but get out of the way. I don't want that pinion dropping down into the foil. Making a mess. This has got that late model GM updated pinion yoke on it. Man, that is. See, that pinion yoke is loose on that, on this ring, on this pinion gear. It's tight. Well, not that tight. Let's put the differential cover back on. What I do with the socket? What the hey? Knock it out here and get my tool. I have a tool that's machined on the end to go onto the center. It stays off there. Wow. Yeah, it's a little hard on the pinion, but you know, it's better than it coming crashing out. Probably should have put some towels in there. Not bad at all. Doesn't look too bad at all. Pop the seal out for the pinion seal. Maybe it's just mileage. I mean, it's not really all that bad. You know, it's not all ate up.